Hello, my name's Max. Let's make some steak.
So first we're going to get our fire going, and we want to start with 2 bigger pieces of wood and then build a little house with some kindling at the base. Then we're going to add some smaller pieces of wood to help it ignite. Add some salt and pepper and rub it into the steak. Flip it over and repeat. Rake some of the hot coals into the middle of the oven and then place your grill over the coals. Let the grill heat up for a little while first. Sear each side of the steak so that you get some nice grill marks on both sides and remove it from the oven. Take a half a stick of butter and place it in the cast iron pan, season with some rosemary, and heat it in your oven. Then you want to throw your steak back in and baste it with some of the melted butter. Finally, slice it up and take a look at that beautiful color. So this is just one of the many examples of recipes you can cook in one of our Fireside trailers. Bon appetit.